in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can quickly convert handwritten notes into text on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen, and then swipe up to go into app screen and tap on Samsung Notes. In here, I'm going to go back to my old notes screen and then tap on the menu key. Next, tap on the settings button, and in settings, go down and tap on toolbar add-ons, and then tap on convert to text. Tap on a switch to make sure it is switch on. After that, we're going to go back to a note. I'm going to open up my test note, and then I'm going to bring up the keyboard, and then I'm going to tap on this icon here to go to drawing mode, and in here I can start to write something. So I'm going to go down, and let's say you want to convert this to text. You want to swipe across, and then you choose this button right here. So you tap on this convert button, and then it will convert, and you can see it will convert your writing to text. And that's it. So that's how you can use this feature in Samsung Notes, allowing you to convert writing to text. And it does a pretty good job in detecting my writing. Is even though you can see I write pretty messy, it still managed to detect what I write and offer the correct translation. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.